Okay, let's start with the session. I'll open the document. But in this document, you don't have the last three sessions notes. You just add those dates and do yourself. Okay, I told you yesterday. Okay, now just I would like to add the date from today, but remember we don't have the date, yesterday's date, day before yesterday's date in this document, folks. Now,
I still have a issue to no one share the docs in a WhatsApp group. So I'm not able to get a full a documents, on the from the Ashok IT website.
it's not from Ashokati website. I asked the people.
At the portal one, yeah. The link where we have get the access
Mhm.
from there,
Okay, we'll find solution for that next. Let's continue the
Okay.
session first. Okay, we'll discuss that last. So, folks, yeah, morning, guys. Uh, what was the last program that I asked you to write? Yeah, on while loop, I just asked something to write, right?
Lucky numbers?
Yeah, lucky number and spy number. Yeah. So, hope you guys did the program. I guess you did the program, right? I guess you did the program. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Folks, what about the other guys? Other Shaksh, Bhagesh, JP, Venugopal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Rajalakshmi, Sandhya Rani.
Actually, I log out early because I start work a 7 o'clock, so I have to leave a 5:30. So that's why I log out a 10:30.
Okay, that's okay. But please try to do the applications like spy number and lucky number, whatever I just gave the work.
Yeah, I will go through the recording on the weekend.
Yeah,
So
sure. Yeah, guys. What about the other guys? Have you did the program, folks? The two programs.
Yes, sir.
Suja, yes, good. Sushmita, what about you? Uma, what about you? Shashikant, Samir, yeah, JP, Rachalakshmi, yeah, Bhagesh. Guys, did you completed the program? Please try to do that. Okay, please try to do that. Okay, folks. So coming to even I will just start my Eclipse also so that we can write programs on that. Okay, folks. Now we will start the session. We'll start with the next program actually. Okay, we'll start with the next program. Folks, our program for today is okay. Uh, you just try this program now. Then again, I will start giving an example on this. Suppose if I give a number, you have to print the number in words. Suppose if number equals to 786, then I'm expecting the output as 786. Got my point? Okay. So means if a given number is 786, then you should get the output as 786. Actually, 786 Like that also we can display. But if you want to display like that, then we need to have some concept of arrays. So as of now, we are unaware of arrays concept. So arrays will come in the the upcoming classes. Okay. So once we did these loops and all, then we enter into the concept of arrays only. So as of now, the program which I would like to ask you is, if a given number is 786, so you have to display the result as 786. If a given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, then the output should be, this is nothing but what, printing the number in words. To print the number in words. For example, if I give a number like this, now for example, my input number is, okay, my input number is 2314. Then the output should be what? 2314. 2314. Okay, guys, this is a program I'm asking you people to write. Could you tell me what is the approach that you want to follow for getting the result or finding the solution for this issue, for this program? Okay. Okay. Then after that, what will you do? And any idea? Yeah, I'll come back. Do you have any idea, folks, online folks? Could you tell me what you want to do? If in case a given number is 2314, 2314 actually. So, but you have to display the output like 2314, the given number in words. You have to write a program for this. If this is the program, could you tell me what is the solution that you would like to follow?
Uh,
Writing a switch case in a function, sir.
Writing switch case means what do you do first?
First,
What will you do first so that we can able to, folks, so that we can able to get the solution for
In a
this
while
problem?
in a while loop, we divide the entire number into one digit and then call the function of switch case. And then concatenate the string one by one.
Good. Yes, that's a good approach. Yeah. Anybody else? Or did you understood about the solution actually what Bhagya said? Yeah. Guys, see, I'll just give you the solution. Please write the program for this. Okay. First, you have a number. Let's say, for example, number is 2314. What in case if you divide the number, how do you get the last digit of a number? For example, if you say number modulus 10, right? If you say number modulus 10, then you get the last digit of a number. So
Yes.
as per our number 2314, what's the last digit now? 4.
4.
Then apply the switch case now.
Yeah.
Apply the switch case. Take this into a variable called last digit. Generally, how do you write the logic for this now? What are you writing in the logic? You will write here last digit or some int last digit is equal to, or digit is equal to any variable. Like this, we
Yes.
write in a logic now. Then what do you say? Switch last digit. Guys, are you getting my point? And now you can start with the cases now. What
Yes.
could be the digits? Digits should be always from 0 to 9. Any digit you take, it is from 0 to 9. Start with the case 0. Then what you display?
0.
System dot out dot print 0.
Yeah.
System dot out dot print, don't use println, use print. System dot out dot print of 0. Am I clear?
Yeah.
And print some space also if you want. Or before 0 also you can print whatever. Then say break. Folks, this is the case 0. Like this, you write up to where? Case 9.
9.
Folks, am I clear with you? Am I clear with you, folks?
Yes, sir. Yes,
System dot out dot print of 9. Okay, now break. Of course, give some space after each word. Am I clear? This is called switch case now.
Yes.
Okay. After
Yes,
doing
sir.
the switch case, now tell me how to decrement your number from 4-digit to 3-digit number or 3-digit to 2-digit number. How do you decrease a number by 1 digit?
Number by 10.
Number by 10. So number equal to number
Number
divided
by
by
10.
10.
10.
So this total logic you should keep inside while loop now.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes.
entire logic you should keep inside a while loop, right?
While number greater than
So
0.
what is our while loop now? While
Number greater than 0.
number greater than 0. Start the while loop and you have to end the while loop here. Folks, am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everybody in online, did you got the logic now? Could you write the program for this now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please start writing the code now. I'll wait for 5 minutes. Please start writing the code. Please start writing the program for this, folks. What's the program I'm asking you guys?
But sir,
You have to write a program to print a given number in words. You have to write a program to print a given number in words. Okay? You have to write a program to print a given number in words. Please start writing this program. I will wait for 5 minutes.
sir. Hello.
Yeah. Folks, you can just observe it now, guys. So in this main, so far what I did is just I'm asking the user to enter a number. So far the code is to read the number. Then just I'm writing my method print in words of the number. Okay, who is this method print in words? This is one more static method in the same class. This is main method. Along with main method in the same class, I also want to create another method to write the logic. What's the method name? Print in words. I just want to create the new method now. Print in words, okay? Now here, what is my while loop? While number greater than 0.
0.
Okay. What if in case the given number is negative number? If
If number
number
less than
less
0.
than 0, what's the statement I want to print? Yeah, invalid
It's
number, or you have to enter positive number only. You have to enter positive number only. Folks, am I clear now? Then I want to say return. Return means the control goes back to the main, right? From this method. Okay. Now, while number greater than 0, folks, what should I write? You have to start writing the programming from now, guys. What should I do here? First, what should I get? Last digit. How to get the last digit of the number? Int
Last digit is equal to
last digit equal to
number mod
number
Mod is
modulus 10.
10.
10.
Folks, am I clear with you? Okay, now guys.
Yes.
Last digit is equal to number modulus 10. I got the last digit now. Folks, I got my last digit. Then what should I do then?
Switch case.
Switch case.
Switch case.
Switch
Last digit.
last digit.
Case 1 up to 9.
Then I should start writing from case
0 to
Case
9.
0. Okay, I'll copy, of course. So system.out.println of system.out.print, not println. Print of
0.
0. 0 space break. This is case 0. Could you tell me like this? I need to start writing what? I should start writing what? 0 to 9.
Yes.
This is for case 1. This is for case 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I clear? Guys, this is 1. Case 1. Display what? 1. This is for 2. System.out.println of 2. This is 3. System.out.println of what? 3. This is case 4. System.out.println of what? 4. This is case 5. And this is for case 6. This is for 7. And this is for 8 and 9. Okay. Okay, now switch case is done, guys. So after the switch case, then what should I do? Number equal to number divided by 10. This is the end of the while loop, main method, the method and the class. Okay. You should always make sure that you have the equal number of curly braces or not. See here, switch case started. This is the end of switch case. Okay, this is the end of switch case. After the switch case end, then number equal to number by 10. This is the end of the while loop. This is the end of the method. This is the end of the class. Okay, now you have to make sure that the number of curly braces open, the number of curly braces closed are matching or not. Otherwise, you'll get the compile time error. Okay, now guys, let's run this program and check. So please enter a number. Let's say I want to enter number 41206. 41206. Okay. Now, what the output I am getting?
You're getting
Yes.
it backwards.
I'll tell you.
Reverse.
Yes, 60214. Do you know what I'm getting here?
Reverse.
If I write the program like this, first I'm getting last digit, na? Last digit is what, 6. Could you guys tell me what is printed here? 6 is printed.
Because module is 10 when you're doing it, then get 6.
Folks, did
plus-
you get my point?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. After that 0, so 0 is printed. After that 2, 2 is printed. After that 1, 1 is printed. After that 4, 4 is printed. But actually what the output I'm expecting? 41206. Could you tell me now what is the solution for this?
You need to reverse it.
Reverse the number.
Could you
reverse
tell
the-
me what is the solution required to get the output as per the requirement? Not
Reverse the string.
60214. It is 41206. Like that, I have to get the output, na? Then tell me what is the solution for this. If you read the program like this, your program is wrong. Your code is not correct. You get the output, but you are getting in reverse order. Yes, guys.
Just make a number in reverse.
First, I should make the number into reverse.
Yes.
So I need to add one more loop that you want me to reverse the number. Then you want me to start the one more while loop to get the digits. Yeah,
The
that is also one
number-
solution, but any other solution that you can say.
Sir, number convert to string. Then string dot reverse we can use.
Okay. But we don't have any reverse in string. That's a problem. In string class, we don't have any method called reverse. You cannot reverse the string directly by calling a reverse method. In
Okay.
string class, we don't have any reverse method. You can't do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, folks. Let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. Okay, let's do one thing. We will take one string variable. That string variable we will take.
You can make it convert into array and then
Array
Private.
means again a big thing, right? As of now, we didn't discuss anything on array.
Sir, we can reverse the number, right?
Now we can reverse the number. I agree with you. We can reverse the number, but if you want to reverse the number again, I should start a logic now.
In the
One
same
more
while
while
loop, we
loop
can
is
write.
required here.
In the same while loop, can't we write?
In the same while loop, you cannot reverse the number, right? First, you have to reverse the number, then you should get the last digits of the number. Am I right? See, so what everybody of you are thinking, yes, we can do it. I'll tell you how we can do it. Okay, please understand. Suppose I'm taking a variable called int reverse. int reverse is equal to 0 initially. Guys, did you get my point? Int reverse
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 0.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, Anavana.
While, okay, I will complete this in this way. While number greater than 0, do you know how to reverse a number? Yesterday we discussed about a palindrome program.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Could you tell me how to get the last digit of the number? Int last digit is equal to number modulus 10.
Modulus 10.
Yes.
Now reverse equals to
Reverse into
reverse into
10
10
plus
plus
last digit.
last digit. Now next number equal to
Number divided by
number divided by 10. Am I clear?
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me, you got the reverse number into reverse variable. Where is the reverse number?
Yes.
in
Reverse number in which variable? Reverse variable. Now take while
Reverse.
reverse greater than 0, last digit is equal to from original number or reverse number?
Reverse.
From reverse.
reverse.
Reverse. Tell me here also what should I write?
Reverse.
Reverse.
Reverse equal to
Reverse.
Reverse.
reverse by 10. We'll get the output now. Please enter a number 41206. Did you get the output now?
Yes.
Yes, this
Sir.
is one way.
Yes.
This is one way. Folks, there is other way also. You please try that. Okay, I'm sticking for this way, but actually there's another way also using string. If possible, you
Yes,
try
sir.
to do that. Okay, folks.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Tell me what is the purpose of this while loop?
To reverse the number.
Breaking
To reverse the
reverse.
number.
Reverse
Yes,
the
very good.
number.
Very good. Very good. Guys, did everyone got the logic here? Folks in
Yes,
online,
sir.
did you got the logic?
Yes.
Shall
Yes.
we? Yeah, now we will continue for the next program. Okay, now guys, we'll
Sir,
continue for the next program.
Sir, how we can get to this string? Your first approach.
Sorry?
The first approach you say that you can get a variable like the string, and then how we can do that
Yeah.
pseudocode like
Just take a string variable, use concatenation string dot concat, otherwise you have plus. Take one empty string,
yes,
take an empty string. Okay,
yes,
then add this 0 to that string.
And plus
Okay.
string.
Okay, are you getting my next? Take the next digit. That this 0 plus that empty string. I mean 0 plus the existing string. Similarly, 1 plus existing string.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, like that.
Yeah.
Everyone, folks, please try. So before you read this while loop, guys, you should also read this while loop. Okay. So I just want to copy this program code into the document for your reference. So this program, okay. What this program will do, guys? This program will prints a given number in words. I just want to add this to the document. Folks, I want to add this to the document. And you please go through this program from the document. Okay, now there are some programs like this that we need to get the programs. Okay, folks, next program, guys. These are all programs just for getting some logic and practice. Okay, next, then we'll enter into do while loop, and then we'll enter into break and continue statement. These are all doesn't take much time. In one session, we'll complete all of them. Okay, right. See, the next program is, this is also a program where you have to use while loop. I'll tell you. Yes. See, guys, you have the two numbers. Okay, You have two numbers like num1 and num2. And now you need to find the GCD of the two numbers. First of all, could you tell me what is GCD?
Greatest
GCD
common
stands for
divisor.
Greatest common divisor.
Yeah.
Divisor.
Yes, greatest common divisor. You have to find GCD of the two numbers. For example, number 1 is 6. Number 2 is 24. Could you tell me who is the greatest common divisor?
6.
6 is the greatest common divisor of number 1 and number 2. Am I right
Yes,
or not?
sir.
Because 6 divides 6. 6
And,
also divides
24.
24. Who is the greatest common divisor of number 1 and number 2?
6.
6. What about 12?
12 only divides number 2.
If you take 12, 12 only divides 24, number 2.
Number 1. Remember.
Okay, number 2. But
Yes.
12 doesn't divide
Number 1.
number 1. So it is not the greatest common divisor of number 1 and number 2. Am I right or not? So who is the greatest common divisor of number 1 and number 2?
6.
6. For example, if num1 is 10, num2 is 15. Could you tell me who is the greatest common divisor?
5.
15. Who is the greatest common divisor of
5.
10 and 15?
5.
5.
5. 5 2 is your 10. 5
Five
3 is
is
your
a
15. Did you get my point right? The greatest common divisor of number 1 and number 2 is 5. So what do you need to find now in the next program? What do you need to find? GCD of the two numbers. Guys, good. Did you get the point? Did you get the point? What do we need to find? GCD of the two numbers. See the logic, guys. So
Yes,
please
sir.
try to understand the logic to find the GCD of the two numbers. Okay. Folks, listen here. I'm starting while loop like this now. While num2 greater than 0. Second number greater than 0, num2. Okay, folks. Calculate num1 modulus num2. Calculate num1 modulus num2. Folks, what is num1? 10. Modulus, what is num2? 15. 10
10.
modulus 15.
10.
10.
10 modulus 15, what's the remainder?
10.
10 modulus 15, what's the remainder? Do you know, first of all, how to calculate the modulus value?
10.
5.
Modulus it is remainder. What is the
Yeah.
number 1? 10. What is
10.
number 2?
15.
15. Means what? You should write it 10 like this. 10. Take 2 lines. Take 15 here. 15 zeros 0. 15 zeros is 0 only, na? What's the remainder?
10.
10. Now could you tell me what's the value of 10 modulus 15?
10.
10 modulus. Hey, 10 modulus 15 equal to how much?
10.
10. Okay, like that. Next, I'll continue here. Guys, num1 equal to num2. Num2 is equal to temp. First of all, tell me, guys, what are my two numbers? 10 and 15. Could you tell me what's the temp value now? What's the temp value now?
10.
10. Assign the num2 to num1. What's the value of num2?
15.
15. 15. So could you tell me what is num1 now?
15.
Num1 is equal to 15.
15.
Could you tell me what is num2?
Num2 equal to 10.
Yes. Num2 equal to assign the temp value.
Yes.
Could you tell me what's the temp value now?
10.
10. Is it 10 greater than 0?
Yes.
Yes. Temp equal to what you calculate? Temp equal
Then
to. Calculate what temp equal to.
15 mod.
Temp equal to num1 modulus
15.
num2. What is the num1 now?
15.
15 modulus 10. Could you tell me what is the result?
1.
10 1 jet and remainder is 5 na?
Yes.
Folks, remainder is how much? 5.
5.
Tell me next. Num1 equal to num2. Could you tell me what's the num1 now? Assign the num2 value. What's the num2? Assign the num2 value to num1, guys. What's the value of num2 here? 10.
10.
Assign the num2 to num1. Num2 is equal to temp. Num2. Guys, could you tell me what is num2? Hey, what is num2 now? Num2 is equal to how much?
5.
It's working
5.
properly for me.
5.
Yes. Now, okay. Num2 is equal to how much?
5.
5.
5. Tell me, guys, is num2 greater than 0?
Yes.
Yes, true.
Yes.
True. Tell me if the while is true, then control enters. Now, temp equal to how
Temp.
much? Num1 modulus num2? Temp
Yes.
equal to?
0.
Temp
Temp
equal
mod.
to?
0.
Temp equal to 0? Because 5 2 jet
Yes.
and remainder is 0, na?
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me next.
Num1 is equal to
Num1 equal to num2. Tell
5.
me what's the num2 value right now?
5.
Num2 is 5. Then num1 is equal to 5.
5. Assign the num2 value 5 here.
Then num2 is equal to 0.
Then tell me
Num2
next.
equal
Num2 is
to
equal to temp, na?
0.
What's the num2 value now?
0.
0. What's the while loop condition?
It is a break.
Num2 greater than
Num2 greater than 0. But what's the num2 value now?
0.
0.
0. If 0 means comes out of the loop.
Yes.
Yes.
After coming out of the loop, then display num1. System.out.println of num1. Did you got my point, guys?
Yes.
Yes. Could you tell me what's the value of num1?
5.
5.
5. Now, could you tell me what is the greatest common divisor?
5.
5.
For what and what numbers?
10.
10 and
10 and 15.
15. You take other numbers also, you will get the same result. This is a loop to write. This is the way of finding what?
GCD.
GCD, greatest common
two numbers.
divisor. Let's write the program for this, folks. So I'm writing a new Java project as GCD program. Okay, let's go ahead, guys. Let's delete this module info.java file. Let's right click on this SRC, the new class, some package name, com.ashok.basics. Folks, you have to practice the programs, then only you will get the logics. Okay. While I'm giving answer or when I'm explaining, understanding is very easy. But if you start writing the same program on paper, then it makes you very difficult. But that practice is very important. Writing on the paper, writing the programs on paper is very, very important. Please try to practice. Okay. Guys, how many numbers I should take it as input? System.out.println.
numbers.
Could you tell me how many numbers I should take it as input? Number 1 and number 2. But before that, first I need scanner object.
Yes.
Scanner SC is equal to new scanner of system dot.
System.in.
Folks, am I clear with you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Could you tell me next?
Integer a
System
number.
dot out dot println enter
Number.
first number. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Int num1 is equal to
Yes, select next.
SSA
SC
dot
dot
next
next
int.
int.
Next int.
System dot out dot println
Enter second
And
number.
that is second number.
enter second number. Int num2 is equal to
Yes, select next.
SSA
C
dot
dot
next.
next int.
Next int.
Tell me how many numbers I got? Two numbers I got na?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Int GCD is equal to find GCD of num1 comma num2. Tell me what is the method I am creating?
Find this.
Find GCD.
Find GCD. Find GCD.
GCD.
Could you tell me what is the logic here?
Integer temp is equal to 0.
While num2
Greater
than
than
0.
0.
Folks, while num2 greater than 0. Int temp is equal to
Num1.
num1 modulus
Number
Num2.
num2.
Num1
Next,
is
assign the
equal
num2 value to num1. Assign the temp value to num2. Am I clear, folks?
to- Yes.
Yes.
Return temp. Return number.
Return which number?
Num1.
Num1.
Number.
Very good. That's it.
So
Now tell me
sort of
this program is for what, guys? What's the purpose of this program?
Find the GCD of two
This
numbers.
program finds
Okay.
the GCD, greatest common divisor, GCD of the two numbers.
Two numbers.
What if the number 1 or number 2 is less than 0? Did you get my point, folks?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Everybody, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Folks are getting my point?
Yes, sir.
What I'm saying?
Okay.
If
Yes.
num1 less than
Or
0 or
num2
num2 less
less
than
than 0.
0. Very good. Now, could you tell me if num1 less than 0 or num2 less than 0, then what should I write?
System method of println.
System dot
That
out
is
dot println.
positive number.
Invalid number.
Okay. The numbers must be
Positive.
positive, or you must enter positive numbers, whatever may be. The numbers must be positive only. Okay. Then, folks,
Yes, sir.
I want to immediately terminate the execution of this program.
Yeah.
System dot exit. Some positive number I can give. A non-zero value. See, I'm not writing return statement. What I'm writing? This is a way of writing exit in Java. Exit means what? Terminate the program execution immediately. Return means what? Move the control from this method to the main
Main
method or
method.
calling method to the method caller. Folks, please try to understand me. Folks, please understand me. Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know what the purpose of this exit?
Immediate termination of program.
What is the purpose of this exit, guys? To immediately
Terminate. the
close,
program.
terminate the execution of the program. Exit means termination. Okay. System dot out dot println. The GCD of the two numbers okay, print the GCD variable. Folks, am I clear now? Online folks, this program is for what? What is the purpose of this program? This program is to find the GCD of the two numbers. GCD stands for Greatest
Greatest
common
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 divisor.
divisor. Greatest common divisor. LCM stands for
Least common multiple.
LCM.
Least
Folks,
common
LCM stands for what?
multiple.
LCM stands for least common multiple. Least common multiple.
Right.
So LCM program you have to try. I'm not giving anything on that. GCD program, I'm just giving it to you. Folks, I'll copy this program code for you to practice, guys. For you to practice, I just copy pasted the program over here. Okay, what's the purpose of this program? This is finding the GCD of the two numbers. Let us run the program. Let us run this program. Enter the first number. First number 12. Okay, second number 36. Could you tell me what is the GCD of 12 and 36?
12.
12 only. Because 12 divides 12, greatest common divisor. 12 also divides
36.
36. 36. Am I clear, folks?
Yes.
Okay, good. Tell me what is the greatest common divisor of 12 and 36?
12.
12. If my numbers are, please understand, if my numbers are 12 and 16,
4.
then who is the greatest common divisor of 12 and 16?
4.
4. 4 3 is 12. 4 4 is
4 4 are
16.
16.
So who is the greatest common divisor for both 12 and 16?
4.
4. If you take 6, 6 2 is 12. But
Yes.
6 cannot divide 16, na?
Yes.
Am I, folks, am I clear with you?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Everybody? Am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, very good. Am I clear with you, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So what is the output now? The
4.
GCD of two numbers is 4. 4 is a GCD. This is a way to find the GCD of the two numbers. What in case if I give a negative number? First number is 24. Second number is -6. Now, could you tell me, can you find
Okay.
GCD of these two numbers? No.
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 When can I find the GCD of two numbers?
Both are positive.
If
Both
both
are
numbers are positive numbers. But here one
Positive.
number is negative number, so we cannot find the GCD.
GCD.
The numbers must be positive only.
Positive.
You must enter the positive numbers only. Did you guys got the program here? This is a program to find what? GCD of the two
GCD of
numbers.
two numbers.
Very good. Very good. Folks, now we are into the next loop. Yeah. Show me. After the for loop, we can print GCD like this is also correct logic. But if for example, I gave the numbers as 24 and 48. Okay. Suppose if I give the numbers as 24 and 48. Who is the greatest common divisor of 24 and 48? 24. Means your for loop repeats at least for how many times? 24 times, right? If it is my while loop, it will be repeated just for 3 to 4 times. That's the difference. And here the variable name is not y, it is n. M modulus I equal to 0. If you return a end is missing there. And you return y modulus I equals 0, not y. You have m and n, two variables, right? That's only difference. Yeah, guys. Okay, I'm just going ahead. Okay. Yeah. Folks, So far we discussed programs on which loop now? So far we discussed the program on which loop, guys?
For loop, while loop.
Okay, for loop and while loop. And we discussed some nested for loops also. For loop inside the for loop, which is called nested for loop.
Yes.
If you write while loop inside a while loop, it becomes what? Nested while loop.
Nested while
We
loop.
can write, of course, we are not writing it, but we can able to write. We can able to write while loop inside a while loop also. It is called what? Nested while loop.
Nested while.
Very good. Folks, I want to ask a question to all of you. Do you know how to check whether a given number is a prime number or not?
Yeah.
Online folks. Do you know how to write the prime number program?
Yes.
How to check whether a given number is a prime number or not? First of all, what is prime number?
The number which is divisible by one and itself.
What is prime number? A number
It has only two
divisible by
factors.
one and itself. Nothing but a number which has
One
only
and-
two factors.
Yes.
If a number has only two factors, then that number is called what?
Prime number.
Prime number.
Prime number.
We discussed program already.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
gave same prime
Yes.
number program 2 times. One is with a general for loop, but second one is to reduce the number of iterations.
Yeah.
Folks, same program I gave twice. It is there in your document. You can refer. But my question to you now, not one prime number. I am asking you, print all the primes between 1 to 100. Guys, print all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Means what? You have to take 1 as a number, check whether it is a prime number or not. Next, 2,
Two.
next 3, next 4, like that. You have to check up to
Okay.
100 and you have to print
100.
all the prime numbers. Between
Yes.
where to where?
1 to
1 to
100.
100. Can you write a program for this? Do you know how to write a program for printing all the prime numbers between 1 to 100?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, please try. I'll wait for 2-3 minutes. I'll wait for 5 minutes. No issue. Guys, previously you know the program, but that is only to check whether a given guys, you go through the prime number program which is there in your document. Please go through that once and try to identify the logic there. Then you please try to write a program to print all the primes between 1 to 100. Yeah, folks. Everyone, just look at this, folks. See, guys, I will give you this example. Now, similarly, you need to write the program to print all the perfect numbers and all the Armstrong numbers. Okay. Or all the SPI numbers. Did you guys getting my point? Okay. I will give you a program on this. Similarly, you practice the perfect numbers program, Armstrong numbers program also. Online folks, are you understanding the code? Today, whatever that we are discussing and whatever the programs we are writing, did you guys getting these programs, today's programs? Could you give me a
Yes, sir.
reply? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Everyone, Aksh, Dan, Lakshmi, are you getting the programs, today's programs? Okay. Yeah, good. Good. Samir, yeah. Rajlakshmi, good. Suja, yes, good. Sandhya Rani, good. Yeah. Folks, see, my requirement is what? I want to print all the prime numbers, okay, between 1 to 100. Actually, I gave 1 to 100. Suppose if somebody asks you, no, I want from all the prime numbers between 100 to 1000. Okay. Or somebody says that, no, I want to print all the prime numbers between 50 and 90. So you take the range value, the first number, lower value, upper value of the range from the user. You ask the user, please enter the lower range. Please enter the upper range. And find all the prime numbers between the given range. 1 to 100 means it's a range, right? 100 to 1000, it's one range. 50
Yes.
to 90, this is one range, right? You have to print all the prime numbers between a given range. Let's write the program for this. Folks, I'm creating Java project. Project name is something like primes range program. Then first I will delete the module info.java file. Folks, based on this program, you write the programs to print perfect numbers, Armstrong numbers, like that. Package name is com.ashokit.basics. Class name primes. Any class name you want, you can give. Guys, first I'm taking scanner object. Please understand. New scanner of system.in. Guys, okay? First I'm creating the scanner object. Then I'm asking, enter the lower value of the range. Int x equal to sc dot next int. Next what? System.out.println. Enter the upper value of the range. Int y equals to sc dot next int. Did you guys get the point? Okay, did you guys get the point?
Yes, sir.
Folks, am I clear with you?
Yes.
Very good. Tell me, guys, we got the lower value of the range into which variable? X. Upper value into which variable?
Y.
Y. My method is print primes of X comma Y. Am I clear with you so far? Do you have any questions to me so far? In this program, do you have any questions to me so far? Online folks, please. If you have any queries,
No, sir.
questions, please let me know. No, right? Okay. Let's go ahead, guys. Okay. Tell me, we have to check only a given number is a prime number or not all the prime numbers between the range now.
Yes, all
Starting from X number to Y number. You have to check all the prime numbers. Means what? First take the X number. Then X plus 1 number. I mean next number up to Y.
Y.
Folks, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, guys, for, please understand me, for int I equals to X,
Yes.
I less than or equals to Y,
Y.
I plus plus. Could you tell me what's the first value of I? Could you tell me what's the first value of I?
X.
Value of X.
X, value of X. Suppose if X value is 50, 50, then could you tell me what's the value of I? 50 starts with 50. 50 is a number. Next number? 51 is
59.
prime or not. 52 is prime or not. 53 is prime or not, like that. Okay. Folks, please understand me. Please understand me. I'll take a Boolean variable. Boolean flag is equal to, okay, true. Hey, could you tell me now who is your number to check whether the given number is a prime number or not? Who is your number?
Y.
50.
Exactly. I is your number. Who is your number now? I. Check I is prime or not. What's the value of I now?
X.
What's the value of
X.
I? X.
X.
What's the next value of I? X plus 1
plus 1.
up to Y.
Y.
Very
Y.
good. Good. Nice. Folks, observe it. If your number is I, then you can check from int j is equal to 2 to half of the number.
Yes.
Did you guys get my point?
Yeah.
I already told this logic to you at the time of talking about prime numbers.
Yes.
Folks, am I clear with you? Online folks, did you get my point? Please try to
Yes, sir.
ask me if you have any doubt. Tell me who is your number now? This outer
I.
for loop is numbers, right?
Yeah.
This is a range of numbers. Then tell me who is your number here?
I.
I?
Yeah.
I is your number. If you want to check whether that number I is a prime number or not, if you find any other factor between 2 to half of the number, then that number is not a prime number.
Yeah.
Hey, did you get my point? I told already, if for example you have a number, if you have any factor till half of the number, that number is not a prime number. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. If I is your number, modulus j equal to 0. Could you tell me what does it mean?
Then which is not a prime number.
Means there is another factor in between half of the number.
Yeah.
Hey, did you get my point or not? Your number is I. Half of the number means I by 2. From 2 to half of the number, if you find any other factor, is it a prime number or not a prime number?
Not the prime number.
If it is not a prime number, set the flag value as false.
Yeah.
Break the loop. Did you guys get my point?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell me, break means which loop it's going to break?
J loop.
J loop or I loop? J loop. J loop. After coming out of the J loop, check if a flag equal to true. Tell me, guys, if a flag equal to true, it's a prime number.
Yes.
Yes. Then print that number. System.out.println of I. The program is over, guys. Okay, if a flag equal to print the number, because it's a prime number.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us run this program. First, I won't write the description in a comment saying that what this program, guys, do you know what this program do? This program prints
Prime numbers.
all the prime numbers in a given range. All the prime numbers in a given range. Guys, did you get the concept? Did you get the concept? This program prints all the prime numbers in a given range. Did you get the concept? Folks, yes?
Yes.
Cool, cool, cool. Enter the lower value of the range. Let's say 13, 1, 3. Enter the upper value of the range, 3, 0, 30. Tell me what my program prints. Prime numbers between 13 to 30. 13 to 30. See what are the prime numbers between 13 to 30? 13 is a prime number.
Yeah.
How many factors are there for 13?
2. 1 and
7.
30.
Yeah. 17?
Prime.
2. 19? 2. 23?
2.
2. 29?
2.
Now tell me, between 13 to 30, what are the prime numbers? 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29.
29.
Very good. Let me copy this program for you guys. Folks, am I clear with you so far? Folks, am I clear with you so far? This program
Yes,
is for what? This program is for what? Today's program? Today's program is for what?
Prime number. Print all prime
This current
numbers
program, this
between a
program,
range.
this is to print the prime numbers within a given range.
Yeah.
Similarly, what are other programs you can practice today?
Yes,
Perfect numbers between given range, Armstrong numbers between given range, SPI numbers between given range, palindromes between given range,
Yes.
lucky numbers between given range. Did you got the point?
Yeah.
Based on this one program, another 4 to 5 programs you can add easily. This program is a base for that. So you do practice of all these programs. Perfect numbers in a given range, Armstrong numbers in a given range. Okay. Palindrome numbers between given range. Please try to write programs for all these things. Okay. So tomorrow, I'll stop the session here for guys. Tomorrow we'll start with the do while loop. So far we discussed about what and what loops. What and what loops we discussed so far today, guys?
For and while loop.
For loop and the while loop. And tomorrow we are going to start with the
Do
while loop. Folks, am I clear with you?
Yeah.
Yes.
Am I clear with you guys?
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow we look at about
Do while loop.
Do while loop. Very good. Thank you. Thank you, folks. I'll share this document in the Ashok IT portal. Please download it and try to go through the programs today. The today's programs are there here, and based on these programs, try to write a program to print all perfect numbers, Armstrong numbers between the given range, palindromes, spy numbers, lucky numbers, like that. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we will continue with the do while loop, break and continue statements. We'll complete all them in the tomorrow session, so that from day after tomorrow we can start with the arrays concept. Okay, na? Right. That's it for now, guys. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you.
Thank you.